Chairman for Independent National Electoral Commission, maybe Posabi as INEC, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, don't talk say nobody go fit vote for the 2023 general election unless the person get PVC. INEC Chairman talk this one to clear some matter when people they chook mouth say person fit vote without PVC. INEC Chairman talk say for anybody to vote, the person must get permanent voters card, and this one means say no PVC, no votes. The country talk say the law they very clear, and the permanent voters card now be the requirement to vote for election.
Let me also seize this opportunity to comment on two issues. The first is the misleading statement that voters can vote on election day without voters cards. It has been trending since last week. This is absolutely incorrect. For any person to vote, he or she must be a registered voter issued with a permanent voters card, the PVC. The Commission has consistently maintained a policy of no PVC, no voting. Nothing has changed. It is a legal requirement, and doing otherwise will be a violation of the law. I urge Nigerians to ignore any suggestion that a person can vote on election day without a PVC. For the avoidance of doubt, I wish to quote Section 47, subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022, which says, and I quote, "A person intending to vote in an election shall present himself with his voter's card to a presiding officer for accreditation at the polling unit in the constituency in which his name is registered," unquote. So nobody can vote without the permanent voter's card. The position of the law is therefore clear. The PVC remains a mandatory requirement for voting.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make you remember say your PVC now be your power. Not say I'm giving the politician on election day.